Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Techno Hacks. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to reset your password for Garena. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.garena.sg and press enter. From the official site of Garena, click on the account button at the upper right hand corner. You'll end up in the login screen. If you've ever forgotten your password for your Garena account and you don't know how to get through the login process, then you'll need to go and click on this forgot password link. Now, you can go ahead and select either email or username or the phone number option. Select any one and enter your information. Once you go ahead and enter your information, go to the text box at the bottom and type in the number you see right next to it. After you do that, click next. Now, enter your registered mobile number in the text box, but make sure that your country code is correct. After filling in your phone number, click on Get Verification Code. Now, you'll be able to receive a verification code sent to this particular mobile number. Simply click on the OK button and wait for the confirmation code or the verification code to be received on your mobile number. Once you receive your code, type it in the text box and click Verify. Enter the new password you'd like to change to or reset to for your account, and while creating your password, make sure that your password meets these criteria. Once you type in the password that you'd like to change to, head over to the next field and re-enter the password one more time. Finally, click Confirm in order to reset your password to a new one. That is how you can easily reset your password for Garena. Next time you log into your account, remember to enter the new password that you recently changed to. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.